To be honest with you, I don't know where even to start. I didn't even know such an exemption existed until talking to Julie and talking to my friend. And yeah, oh man, I would say I've saved a ton of money as far as this exemption. That was actually one of my worries. Okay, now you purchase the aircraft. No, how much you're gonna pay for taxes and all that? And that's a lot of money for sales tax. On the previous aircrafts I had, I paid a lot, and it wasn't even close to what I paid for this aircraft. So, or what we paid for this aircraft. So, yeah, it was amazing. My name is Fred Cohen. I'm an engineer architect. I work in Southern California. The company where I work with handles a lot of commercial businesses, commercial designs for gas stations, for car wash, shopping centers throughout pretty much Western United States, like California, Texas, Arizona, Nevada, Oregon. And I travel to many sites to just go visit. I've been a pilot for past since 2012. I've had previous aircrafts, but we purchased this aircraft because, again, it's faster. The safety is the main issue. Cirrus aircraft has a parachute, so that was one of my safety items that I wanted to do. Pretty much for traveling to these sites. Of course, airlines, I would say yes, it is more comfortable, but it would actually take more time. On a 2 hour trip, let's say you got to go to the airport an hour or 2 hours before, then you got to look for a car and all kinds of stuff. So if I need to do a project in Arizona, it takes me the whole day for going with the airlines. But with the personal aircraft, I'm in and out in like 4 or 5 hours. I'm back to the office. So that was the main reason we purchased this aircraft. One of my friends, one of pilot friends, he actually had used you guys before, and he introduced me. He told me he was great. I mean, he just said you guys did amazing, and that's how I found out about you guys. No, everything was great. I mean, any questions I had, Julie answered. I just provided the document that she asked me. Unfortunately, during that 6 months, the plane was down for about 2 months of it, so I didn't fly as much. But she helped me out with everything, every question I had. She was there right away answering the questions on the emails. As far as communication, it was great because, even without me following up, I was getting monthly emails or every other week email. Hey, this is what's going on. It's still, and I know California, of course, bureaucrats, so, they take forever. I was notified every month, hey, this is what's going on. You're number 2, number 5, or whatever. So, no, it was great. I definitely refer you guys to anybody. In fact, a lot of people, a lot of time I've seen on the pilot chat groups that people are looking, and I'm like, go with them. But I tag you guys. No, definitely. No, you guys are famous. Believe me. I'm only, like I said, I don't go on social media much except just these pilot groups and all that. And anytime the question comes up, you guys, your name always pops up. Hey, use these guys. Use this guy. Everybody talks about you. Actually, the minute I got that letter, my wife said, "Oh, you got a letter from state, whatever." Like, oh gosh. When I opened it up, I'm like, "We're going to dinner." So that was the celebration. I mean, it was crazy. I've had amazing experience with you guys. Everything from beginning to the end, everything was very well explained to me from beginning. This is what's gonna happen. Correspondence, everything as far as email. I have nothing but good things to say about you guys. Thank you so much for everything you've done.